right, the drink that we are about to make is called the Belize Rum Punch. First thing we're going to do is put some ice in a glass. And we're going to start off with a shot, actually 2 shots of light rum. There's 1 and 2. Follow that up with a shot of dark rum. Whoops, there we go. And next, an orange liqueur. Triple sec, 1 shot. And we'll go ahead and do a shot of cream of coconut. There we are. And a shot of sour mix. 2 splashes of grenadine. We're almost there. There's 1, 2. And last, we're just going to top it off with a little bit of pineapple juice. Now we'll mix these up. And once we get everything mixed together, there's only going to be one thing left to do. Sit back and enjoy your Belize Rum Punch while you listen to the sound of the wind rustling through the palm trees. There we go. Bottoms up.